In Kursk zone, in a 2-hour operation, Russian forces attempted to counterattack the Ukrainian 225th Assault Battalion's positions using small, stealthy assault groups with minimal vehicle support. The battalion effectively countered this tactic by employing drones for continuous surveillance and precision strikes. Once enough enemy forces had gathered, an artillery strike was coordinated. Russians complain that the Defense Ministry-affiliated company Warthog, which sets up its food stalls in the Kursk region, charges Kursk civilians 3 to 4 times more for regular food that is often expired. For example, they charge nearly $15 for a pack of crisps.
250 рублей бутылка чего? Йогурт. Йогурт маленький, да. А вот этот квас у меня сколько получился? Ну, в любом случае, короче, я отдала 500 рублей за квас и маленькую порцию картошки с котлетой. Нормально так. Что отличает Курская область? Ну что, нравятся цены?
Да пиздец. Вот 1000 рублей, что тут есть? Хуйня вот эта.
Это так нас встречает Курская область гостеприимно.
Да я вас умоляю, у нас в Военторге там тоже было почти точно так же. Ну, может, рублей, блядь, рублей на 100 бы дешевле отдать.
Представляете? Аж даже на 100 рублей подешевле, и то это был кошмар.
In Russia, Kursk region welcomes like nowhere else. Prices are such that even the most shameless waiters behind the tape could not dream of. Our eternal companion Warthog. A dialogue between our soldier and the saleswoman. How is that possible? 3 packs of napkins for 1,500 rubles. What are you talking about? Do they not pay you? You'll drink more money away anyway. One asked to return the kefir since it was expired. The money was thrown in his face. He did not take it, let him choke on, and so it remained lying on the counter. 300 rublei. No one took it. They say that wherever our soldier is nearby, any service and product costs 3 times the price. People have come to protect you from all over our motherland. Thank you, good people. We're not even sure who's more offended, Comrade Krivoruchko, and who sang to Putin yesterday about how they gave us drones, thermal vision devices, etc., or the Ministry of Defense, which gave us nothing and feeds us rice and stew, or these guys. Launch of missiles from HIMARS systems somewhere in Ukraine. It is reported that the Ukrainian armed forces are using anti-aircraft drones to track down landing sites of Russian reconnaissance drones and instantly strike Russian UAV operators and their vehicles with HIMARS. Currently, the main danger for our reconnaissance drones is the enemy's air defense drones. They can be quadcopters or aircraft type. They can hit either by direct ramming into the propeller or by using the air blast method near the target. I would like to draw attention to another trick of the enemy. Not always the air defense drone destroys our aerial reconnaissance aircraft. In some cases, it accompanies it to the landing site, detects the point, and strikes our vehicles with HIMARS. The enemy has a very high decision-making speed, and from the point of detecting the field with our vehicles to the strike, a few minutes pass. Now the Northerners are taking out many MLRS installations, hunting the hunter, but it is necessary to keep in mind such a military trick of the enemy and carefully monitor the sky. Fortunately, interceptor drones are visible both visually and by technical means. The 412th Separate Battalion Nemesis has destroyed an enemy BM-21 Grad rocket launcher. Russians are sharing a video filmed in one of the settlements in the Sujansky district, which is captured by Ukraine, allowing locals to see their homes. Turns out that it is not necessary to destroy every single building, as the Russians do when they seize settlements.
Елки, кстати, на площади все целые. Стаса. Витя Попов, все цело. Ресторан шедевр. В ресторане окна повыбиты. Дальше бар целый. Чей дом? Медведя? Катьки Орленко. Здесь все вот так вот.
Debris of a Russian Shahed drone shot down over Kiev.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.